going on, people? So welcome to this week's grocery haul, or this 2-week grocery haul. We tried something different this week. Instead of going to 3 stores, we only went to 2, and that was Costco and Fred Meyer's. So you guys might notice some familiar brands if you're Fred Meyer's shoppers. So that said, let's get to it here. Start on the dry stuff. Got our usual pastas, some spaghetti sauce. I usually get this at Costco, but oh no, there's one with mushrooms. That wasn't supposed to happen. We usually get these at Costco in the big bottle, but I haven't been able to find that for a long time, so this is what we had to come back to. Some Ziplocs, some gluten-free, tasty little cookies that the kids like. Those are really good. If you haven't ever had these, I highly suggest you try them. Some baking soda, ghee for all of our baking products. Ghee. Diced tomatoes. I'm telling you, fire roasted is the only way I'm going those, by the way. Tomato paste, some mayo, some Simple Truth organic mayo. Gluten-free pizza crust for Gracie girl. She's got a birthday party that they're cooking pizzas. Aluminum foil. Got some clams. You guys might be able to tell what's on the menu with all those cans of clams. Taco sauce, clam juice, barbecue. These are good. These are wheat and gluten-free nut thins. These are really good. The kids dig those from Freddy's, so we got some boxes of those because they were on sale. Costco tuna, Laura bars for the kids as snacks. Simple Truth or Simple Mills icing. This is going to go on some gluten-free cupcakes. And I think, where's the deal on this right there? Gluten-free. Focus. There we go. Pineapples, pizza sauce. We're going to cut these up and put these on the cupcakes. We got a birthday party we're going to go to. Got a birthday party local dye-free, sugar-free, or dye-free things for the cupcakes. Chicken stock. There's the cake, gluten-free cake. Olive oil from Costco. BioClean dish soap for the dishwasher. This is like an alternative for bleach. It's like bleach, but bleach free. It's really good if you guys are trying to get away from all your chemicals and stuff. Dishwash or dish liquid for washing dishes. Chips. Got our cans of coconut milk. Bag of oranges. Couple 3 bags of taters there. Let's get into the produce. So we got 6 eggs. We had to up at a container of eggs because the homemade bread that we make, it chews up a container and a half of eggs. So it chews up a lot of the eggs. So eggs, got some fresh herbs there, strawberries, what are those, nectarines, lettuce, broccoli, big old thing of tomatoes, spinach, some salad, apples, oranges, some more oranges, zucchinis, lemons, limes. What are those? Those are red onions, green onions, fresh parsley, some whatchamacallits, cucumbers, mushrooms, carrots. Yeah, Mom and I splurged for that. Spinach, artichoke, parmesan. That stuff on the homemade bread that we make, this stuff is like the bomb. It's because the homemade bread, if you toast it in your toaster, it's like a crouton. It's like a good crouton. You put that on there, good stuff. Avocados, garlic, what is that, cilantro, celery, blueberries, pears, cherry tomatoes. So that pretty much wraps up that action. Some gluten-free wraps for dinner, some tater tots for breakfast, all of our frozen fruits, blueberries, mango, cherries for our celery smoothies, almond milk, Canadian bacon for the pizza that Gracie's gonna make, hot dogs, kids love the hot dogs, got our 4 packs of lunch meat, and we are trying some new bacon here. The kids, I've noticed lately, are like little carnivores for breakfast. They used to get away with just like some cereal or oats or something like that. Now they're all about the meat for breakfast. So we got 4 packages of bacon and 3 packages of this kielbasa stuff. They kind of sniffed that out one day and realized that we were cooking with that, and they loved that, so they want that for breakfast. All right, meat. So we got three packages of boneless, skinless thigh chickens. So we got lots of chicken dinners. Got, I think those are pork chops. Pork chops, big old thing of pork chops, that's 2 dinners. Some ground beef from Freddy's instead of Costco, because it was a little bit cheaper that way. Got some steaks here that will be 2 different dinners. We're gonna cut some steaks up for 1 dinner and then smoke the other ones for dinner. So you got 2 dinners there. And then ground turkey. And I only need 1 of these for a dinner, so the other 3 will go in the freezer for next cycle. So there'll be lots of leftovers there, and I think there'll be some leftover chicken. A couple of things. We did get toilet paper, did get paper towels, and our rotisserie chicken. Look at that. Alright guys, so here are our forms that we use that you can get in the link in the description below on our site. But these are the forms we use for all of our menu planning. So here's our weekly view. Christine will take 1, I will take 1, and she plans out the dinners for the week. And so she'll go on and she'll write what the dinner name is, and then she will put an X next to the things that we need for the dinners. So she looked up all these dinners that she wants to cook, and then she will fill it in what we need to get to store, and then we usually put the side at the bottom of what we're going to have with that dinner for the week. And then here's mine. Hers is a little more fancier than mine. Mine's pretty generic. So put the same thing, dinners with the sides. Perfect, right? And then here's our shopping list. So Costco, Fred Meyer's, and it's broke up from produce to dry goods to meat to dairy, miscellaneous to frozen. That way we can kind of zigzag our way through the store and be organized as we're doing that. Same thing with Fred Meyer's. And that's pretty much it. It's so much faster. Being organized like that when you guys go to the store, way faster. You're not thinking, you're not like, I gotta go back to this end, go back to this end. You're in and you're out, right? Yep. You guys can find those forms in the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website, and we have all that good stuff on there all dolled up for you. So, hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you on the next food haul. Later.